So, kumusta sa inyo guys? Mga kumpare ko'y sa inyong lahat. So today, react tayo sa post na to galing sa GMA News, Alangan. So one of one, in photos, Filipino Olympian and equestrian Tony Leviste, hindi ko ba basta siya, she made history as the first Filipino to win an international dressage event in Europe, topping the FEI Prix St. George class at the Flamal CDN in Belgium last Saturday. So, congrats! Congrats! Itong taon na to, congrats talaga. Congrats. So, normal naman to, di ba? Pero yung pag-scroll ko sa comments, ayan. Ayan. Oh my! Ano nangyayari sa atin dito? Oh my talaga. Kulang na lang mood up. Sabi nito, ito, good job GMA News. kay Robert pala to. Oh no, the gold ship drop kick pre. The gold ship drop ilagay sa isang Pat na lang yung comments, puro umamusum eh. Kabayo. Anong supported bit at legacy ginagawa? Tas yung pagpuksan ng comments, nako po, umamusum na yan. It's time to stop. No, shit. Ang tagapaglitas natin mula sa Bagyo. Si Goldship ba yan o si Augury Cup? Dahil sa inyo naglalaro na rin ako. Ay, oo. Base. Bro. Oh my. Ito. Ito pa. Ito pa. Ano ba? Ito na natin yung replies. Ayan lang. Wow, yan lang. Ayan lang, okay. Hindi ako nagbibiro. Another 20. Grass. Harurara grass. The gold ship. Why is mo Miyabi PFP. Why is Umamusume Pretty Derby so popular? The secret ingredient is gum. Ay, nako, pero types of gum. Oh, no. Oh. Oh, may naman. Grabe. Post pa lang, yung comments na umamusum eh. Grabe. Grabe. Oh my. Oh my naman. Oh my gulay pre. Di ko na to mabibilang. Bilang bupals. Yung gold ship Michael Jackson. Oh. Yan na nga. Oh my. The gold ship drop kicks. The gold ship drop kicks. Ito pa rin. Have you ever played Umamusum? Oh my god. Hanggang dito lang ito aabot. Baka siguro. Tingnan natin. Ayan pa. Oh my naman. No words, I cannot describe ourselves in this type of situation talaga. Teka, ilan ba yung comments dito? Let's go back to the top. Congrats pala ah. Congrats. 1.5k comments. 1.7k shares. Tas yung comments in question, umamusum eh. Oh my gulay, pre. Tapos ito pa, hinahanap ko pa rin to. Oh, wait. So, oh, wait. Tapos ito pa, hinanap ko sa GMA. Travis Kelce in Grow a Garden. Kansas City KCC and NFL star Travis Kelce made a special appearance on the viral online game platform Grow a Garden during a special event. From the field to the garden, Kelsey wrote on his TikTok account. The game featured his 87 jersey number, a storm touchdown, and Kelsey sharing his life as a football player. Oh, wow. GMA! GMA! Nako po, GMA. Oh, may naman. Admin of Jandel, Diyos ko po. Tapos nandito pa si Travis Kelce. Kala ko si Travis Scott eh. Ayan. Ayan. Oh, my pre. GMA, you really outdone it yourself pa. Ako po. 106,000 likes, tas maraming hearts. Teka lang. Ayan. GMA talaga! Oh, man. You really outdone it na, GMA. Okay, so, okay, and that's a wrap for naman for my today's rant. In short, Uma Musume comments have taken over a post, and Travis Kelce just joined in Grow a Garden. So, yun lang naman mga guys. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa pagnonood. Bye-bye!